Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to add file input box in our web page. Okay, if you want to allow users to upload your file, okay, and that file may be image, video, mp3 or video and whatever may be. Okay, so you will need to use a file input box. Okay, so first we can use an input element tag and then type equal to file that create a file box. Okay, then comes to name attribute and that discuss on previous video. Okay, then use a line breaker. Okay, after that suppose we want to use submit button. Okay, for submit button we can use an input element tag, then type equal to submit and value is upload, then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see a file input box, and if you click on choose file then it open the files, then you can select as your choice. Okay, I will see you guys in next video. Thank you.